Hello everyone, my name is Hana Kawardani, NPM 244110116, class MNJ 24C. Here I will explain the material about funding strategy.
Hello everyone, today we will discuss funding strategy. In simple terms, it is a plan or approach that a business uses to secure the funds it needs to operate, grow, and achieve its goals. A strong funding strategy is not just about getting money, it's about making sure the business has the right resource and the right time, minimizing financial risks, and supporting sustainable growth. What is funding strategy? Funding strategy is essentially a framework for obtaining capital to support a business, support operation, product development, and expansion plans. It helps business answer questions like how much funding is needed, where shall we get it from, how shall we use it effectively. Without a clear funding strategy, business might face cash flow problems, delayed projects, or missed opportunities for growth. Types of funding source. There are several common funding sources. 1. Self-funding or bootstrapping. Using personal saving or capital from the founders. This gives full control over the business. 2. Bank loans or the debit financing. Borrowing money from bank or institution with interest keeps ownership interest but requires repayment. 3. Investor funding or equity financing. Raising money from investors in exchange from shares useful for growth and bringing strategic support. 4. Growth funding. Collecting small amount from a large number of people online, effective for innovative product or public appeal. 5. Government grants. Funding from government programs to support startups or specific business projects. Usually does not require repayment but has specific criteria. Step is funding strategy. To create a solid funding strategy, business should follow steps. 1. Determine funding needs. Identify short-term and long-term capital requirement. 2. Select funding source. Choose the source that fit your business time and stretch. 3. Evaluate risks and benefit. Consider interest, ownership, dilution, or obligation. 4. Plan fund allocation. Decide how fund will be used, operation, market, hiring, or expansion, and communicate the transparency to stakeholder. Example: food startup. Let's look example of food startup. Initially, the fund used self-funding to start small operation and test the concept. When the business grows, they may take a bank loan to expand outer or production. For total growth, like developing a delivery of or entering new cities, they call attract investor. Solution. In conclusion, a funding strategy is a detailed plan for securing the capital business needs. Key points: identify how much funding is required, cost the funding source suitable for the business threats and type, evaluate risks and benefit of each option, plan transparently how fund will be used. With a clear funding strategy, business can operate safely, grow sustainably, and become more attractive to investors. Thank you.
Thank you for attention and see you next time. Bye bye guys.